Hello, Center School students. Today, we are gathering on this virtual assembly to discuss Veterans Day, which is celebrated all across the country tomorrow on November 11th. We will have no school in order to recognize this holiday and to show our appreciation to the men and women of the United States military. We also want to send special warm wishes to the veterans and active duty soldiers from our own community along with their families.
Veterans Day is very special to many people for many different reasons. The military is made up of 5 branches: the Marines, the Coast Guard, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. Many of us have family members who have served as part of one of these special groups. I know I have family members in many of these groups. I hope that you've taken the time to chat with your families about veterans that may be in your own. If you have, be sure to fill out a star like this one and bring it back to share in with your class if you haven't already. It is amazing to see how many people have connections to military right here in Hampton. Look around our halls and our classrooms to see the different stars that have already been returned. We hope you enjoy your day tomorrow.
This is Hero Dad and Linda Hardy. My dad is a superhero. He doesn't wear rocket-propelled boots. He wears army boots. He can't fly. Well, sometimes he can. He doesn't have X-ray vision, but he has night vision. He doesn't drive a super-powered car. He drives a tank. He doesn't wear a cloak that makes him invisible. He wears camouflage. He does not carry a laser gun. He carries a rifle. He doesn't have a sidekick. He has a platoon. Sometimes he has to go away for long trips, but that's what superheroes have to do. My dad is an American soldier. My dad is a hero, my superhero. This is what I drew because I thought that this would be a good American flag, and I'm very thankful for all the soldiers out there saving our country. I wrote Love America, and I also did 3 American flags, and my dad also works in the Army, and I also did the flag with all of the primary colors, but I did black also. This is what I did for my picture of America. And my brother is in the Coast Guard, and my dad used to be in the Coast Guard. And I'm very thankful for my brother helping us serve for our country. I made this drawing because we're all different, and even though we're all different, we're still America, and we've made mistakes, but we have to keep going forward. I put my heart in this for America, and this is the flag. Those are the poles to keep up the flag, and then there's stars, and then that says spread the love America and be kind.